MagicPost AI is one of the best just released AI tools, and today I'm going to give you 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're looking to get ahead of the competition and want to understand how MagicPost can take your content to the next level, stay tuned because I'm diving deep into the features that make this software stand out. First, let's talk about its core feature. MagicPost AI helps you create highly engaging social media posts effortlessly. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or content creator, MagicPost can generate copy that grabs attention. Its AI-driven algorithms analyze trending topics and craft posts that align with your audience's interests, making it perfect for those who need to produce regular content without wasting time. Another huge benefit is MagicPost AI's built-in personalization options. You can tweak and fine-tune the generated post to fit your brand's voice, allowing you to stay consistent while still tapping into AI's powerful ideas. It's especially useful if you want to post regularly but struggle with writer's block or lack inspiration. Third, let's talk about the time-saving factor. Normally, creating high-quality content takes hours of brainstorming, writing, and editing. MagicPost AI drastically reduces this time. With a few clicks, you can have a polished post ready to go, leaving you more time to focus on your other business activities. Now, what about the software's scalability? This is where MagicPost AI shines. It doesn't just serve solo users, it's built to handle larger teams as well. You can create content across multiple accounts, keeping everything organized in one central dashboard. This is a major plus for agencies or businesses with multiple social media platforms to manage. And then there's its analytics feature. MagicPost AI provides insightful data on how your posts are performing across different channels. This real-time feedback is invaluable as it helps you tweak your strategy to maximize engagement. This is not just about posting, it's about making your content work for you. Another key aspect to consider is the software's ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert to use MagicPost AI. The user interface is intuitive, with a clean design that makes it simple to create, edit, and schedule posts. If you're new to AI tools, you'll appreciate how user-friendly it is without a steep learning curve. Finally, let's talk pricing. MagicPost AI offers a free trial through the first link below, so you can test out all these features before committing. And trust me, after trying thousands of AI tools, this one stands out for its value and versatility. Whether you're managing a small brand or handling social media for large clients, it adapts to your needs. So to wrap things up, MagicPost AI is a powerful tool that simplifies content creation, enhances your social media strategy, and saves you time. I highly recommend trying it out yourself. You can grab your free trial using the link below. And after testing thousands of AI tools, I've found some of the best that I'm also recommending in the description for you to explore. Don't miss out on these powerful AI solutions.